Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mrs. Koenig. Obviously, I'm not in class today, and today is Wednesday, November 15th. I'm going to give you some directions and reminders about classroom policies and procedures, academically and behaviorally, that I expect when I'm away with a sub. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, you guys know that I expect you to be a positive role model and a leader in class. So what that looks like to a sub or an outsider in our classroom is that you're going to stay in your assigned seat. So ladies and gentlemen, we are not going to move to comfortable furniture. We're not going to move to different tables and chairs. Please stay in your assigned seat so the sub knows who's who and who's in what seat. Ladies and gentlemen, please be kind and courteous, not just to the substitute teacher, but also to each other. So what this means, if the sub asks you to do something in class or gives you a direction, please follow it. That would be the kind and courteous thing to do. If a student is struggling in class with the math and mathia, and if you feel like you can help, please help. But do not get loud. Please do not cause a classroom disruption while you're helping that student. And if you're you find you're finishing your homework early, please go ahead. You can silent read or work on other academic work. But remember, this should be a quiet classroom environment for the entire class period. I just want to make it sure that it's very clear to you guys that prior to class on Monday, November 20th, you have all of Module 2 done in Mathia and all of Mod 3 done in Mathia. So today, on November 15th, you guys should be reading the lesson and taking notes in Mathia and completing Workspace 1. In the event that you finish that, you can go ahead and start your work for November 16th, which is completing Workspace 2, Workspace 3, and turning the formative into class. Additionally, if you finish on November 16th all of that work and the formative assessment is turned into the basket, go ahead and start on the Module 2 and 3 assessment review. Ladies and gentlemen, on November 20th, on Monday, please be ready for the Module 2 and 3 summative assessment. Last reminder that on November 15th, not very many students turned in the Unit 4 formative assessment from Mathia. So please turn that in. Continue to read and take notes in Mathia. Complete Workspace 1 today in class. And then by the end of the week, you should have completed Workspace 2, Workspace 3, the formative assessment for November 16th, and then you should have also completed the Module 2 and 3 assessment review. All right, you guys, you have a lot of work to do Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Please get it done. If you have lots of questions or any questions, please write them down or save them for me on November 20th on Monday upon my return. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good luck. Get your work done, and I'll see you on Monday.